Shortly after midnight on the 8th of September 2009, the Panamanian-registered bulk carrier the Seli ran aground off the coast of Lobeck Strand located in Table Bay, Cape Town. The bulk carrier was en route to Gibraltar, carrying 30,000 tons of coal, 660 tons of heavy fuel oil and 60 tons of diesel fuel. After engine failure and a snapped anchor chain, westerly winds blew her towards the Bloberg beachfront, running aground roughly 500 meters from shore. The 25-man crew on board were rescued by 2 vessels under the National Sea Rescue Institute shortly after the incident.
The vessel was immediately labelled as an eyesore on the popular beach and spoiled the image of one of the world's most iconic natural wonders. The Turkish bulk carrier was built in 1980 in South Korea, and according to marine salvors, vessels such as the Seli 1 had a maximum lifespan of 20 years. At this point, it was 9 years overdue. Old age and poor maintenance plagued the vessel and can be partly blamed for the incident. Management and owners should have replaced or sold the vessel at the correct time, but chose not to. After many attempts to refloat the ship and push it offshore, the breakup of the vessel began. Poor decision making and late storm swells hindered any chance of the vessel being removed. The 4th of June 2010 represented a significant day in the ship's breakup. While marine salvors were cutting out the sections of the ship using oxyacetylene cutting torches, the ship caught alight. The salvors on board had to be evacuated off the vessel. The incident was catastrophic and triggered more disastrous events. The burning continued well into the night and affected the London CBD area due to northwest winds predominant in winter. Due to the fire breaking up small sections of the vessel, containment areas were cracked and the bunker fuel was released into Table Bay. The oil release directly affected the sea life and ecosystems that were close to the vessel. Monaghan Lagoon is situated 7.5 kilometers up the beach and provides a habitat for many seabirds and marine life. It includes a canoe club roughly 1 kilometer from the mouth, and water users had to be cleared so pollution control could occur. By the 1st of September 2012, Sankov had admitted 254 birds to its rehabilitation center. This included 2 Cape gannets, 33 African penguin chicks, and a total of 219 adult African penguins. 3 penguin eggs were rescued. This may be due to the parents becoming oiled and abandoning the eggs. Many of the penguins were later released up the coast. Where they moved off to nearby islands such as Robben and Dussin Island. The sensitive dune area was affected by shifting sands caused by the vessel and numerous onlookers, and would have been negatively affected if the municipality had not cordoned off the dune areas. Socially, the wreck was not seen in a positive light. It was visible to many as it was present during the 2010 Soccer World Cup. The ship had created a straight-hand sandbank and provided excellent surfing conditions for the local surf and kite community. However, many surfers had suffered health issues and oil-strewn equipment. On On the 12th of March 2013, the operational diving team of the South African Navy set explosives and blew up the vessel, releasing more oil and sinking more sections to the seafloor. The removal of sections of the ship and maintenance cost the public taxpayer approximately 40 million rand in total.
Not only did the city have to foot the bill, as the owner had auctioned off the valuable fuel and coal, but had claimed the insurance money and ignored the problem.
Secondly, due to the oil spill and strong littoral water movements around the bay. Qarbon Nuclear Power Station was put on high alert, as the power station uses seawater to cool down the plant. An intake of oil could have disastrous effects on the power output facility.
Seli 1 is now permanently at the bottom of Table Bay and has formed a man-made reef.
With large numbers of black mussel and west coast rock lobster protected in the area, and is regularly dived when conditions are suited.